We improved the way you insert blocks with the new Blocks palette. The palette includes visual thumbnails of blocks, making it easier to insert blocks from the current drawing, recent, or other drawing tabs. You can select how much information you want to see on the palette by choosing from various list types or different icon display sizes. And it's easy to filter for the exact block you're looking for. The Recent tab displays the most recently inserted blocks, regardless of the current drawing. These persist between drawings and sessions. The Blocks palette includes a visual preview of the blocks along with insertion options like insertion point, scale, rotation, and more. Place blocks from the palette by dragging and dropping, or by clicking on the block and placing it into the drawing for more precision. Based on customer feedback, we added an option to repeat block placement.